Scissor lift. Types, uses and benefits. This video will take an in-depth look at scissor lifts. You will learn more about topics such as principle of scissor lifts, types of scissor lifts, applications and benefits of scissor lifts, and much more. Chapter 1. Understanding the principle of scissor lifts. Defining a scissor lift. Components of a scissor lift. The pivotal parts or components of a scissor lift include platform of the scissor lift, scissor lift legs, hydraulic or pneumatic cylinders, the stable scissor lift base, powering the scissor lift, down valve for scissor lift, flow control valve, Chapter 2. What are the types of scissor lifts? The various types of scissor lifts are as follows. Hydraulic scissor lifts. Diesel-powered scissor lift. Electric scissor lift. Rough terrain scissor lift. Pneumatic scissor lift. Chapter 3. What are the applications and benefits of scissor lifts? Application of scissor lifts. Building maintenance. Building. Delivery. Signs in the sky. Production. Warehousing. Advantages of scissor lifts. Improve productivity. Reduce workplace injuries. Enhance process ergonomics. Access high places and difficult-to-reach areas. User-friendly. Compact dimensions. Floor area requirement. Customizable to personal liking. Economic. Disadvantages of scissor lifts. Considerations when choosing scissor lifts. Lift and lower speeds. Operator controls. Dimensions. Working conditions on the job site. Common problems encountered with scissor lifts. The lifting procedure is irreversible. The lifting platform is either too weak or too heavy to hoist. The lifting platform drops naturally. Failure of the down valve causes the lifting platform to not drop. The descending valve cannot be closed for one of the following reasons. Inspection and maintenance of scissor lifts. Checklist for general maintenance. Operational checklist. Structural checklist. Inspect the following areas for any indications of issues. Maintenance of the battery. Following these battery maintenance practices will help maximize their lifespan. Conclusion. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right scissor lift manufacturer for your needs.